Okay, so first of all, if you don't have Pixel Lab, you can see the Pixel Lab here by the corner P. If you don't have it, you just go to Play Store and then you just search Pixel Lab. You could see it here. So this is it. You just install it, and then so we have it. So what we're gonna do now is now to enter it, and then we're gonna show you this. That's me working on a project, but you're just gonna press cancel because you don't want your recent project to appear. And then for us to create that, you just first of all delete this text and press OK. So how we got that first was we'll come to this plus here and then come down to where it says shapes, and then this was the first shape. So what we're going to do now is to reduce the radius. Come back here, reduce the radius of this. You can see, yeah, to that, let's leave it at 50 and then press OK. And then we're going to bring it down here. We're just going to reduce it like this and then kind of make it big. Take it back, kind of make it big. Yes. So what then we're not going to do is to come to this down places here, these options here, and then we just slide, and then you see this copy here, just pressing copy. So it's now going to copy the same shape, duplicates the same shape, and then yes, we now have this here. We're going to make it like this, and then this is okay. So in order for us not to be moving this shapes, we're just going to come here to this corner here, tap on this, and then we're just going to lock two of these shapes we've created. Lock, and then we press it again, and then it has gone. So what we're now going to do next is to now come to this plus, and we're just going to go to gallery to add in our product that we want to now give the discount for. So I recently, as you can see here, so just click on this shoe, and then just click on it, yes, because here is where you want to like crop your image. So just click good, and then yes, you see here, they will just scale it down a little bit small, and then just turn it this way, rotate it a little bit small, scale it down a little bit small again, and then yeah, something like this. So make it big, then we'll just take it up, then we'll leave it this way. So you can see it's decided to give shape. So what we're going to do next is just to come here to the text. We just start imputing our text. So click on text, and then we just drag it here, then we'll just double tap on the text, and then we can now write our 50% off. Okay, 50% discount. Yeah, so just press OK. So you can see here, if we bring it up here, you can see it's white, they're all white. So what we're going to do now is now to change the color of the text, and how we're going to do that is to come here to this A, click on the A, we'll now go to this color, you can see, then we can now change the color to the suitable color that we want. The last one we did was blue, so yeah, we could just change it to any color. So we'll now bring it here, you can see it's now it is now shown. Just click good, and if you want to change these fonts, you're just going to slide, we're going to slide to check for fonts. Yeah, so we see fonts, then we'll just change it to any fonts that is suitable for us. I like this, so just click OK. You can see this is what we have here. So now what next we're going to do, now we're not going to give it like a 3D vibe. So what we're going to do next is now to come to this plus here, and then go to shapes, and then the opacity, and then we're now going to come here for the stroke, increase the stroke, and then reduce reduce the radius. You can see the blur radius, we're going to increase it, and then we're now going to make it smaller. You can see we're going to make it smaller, it's black, and then we just click on OK. So you can see this is how we have it. So we just slide it this way, make it small, and then come here and then slide it. So you can see it's just like we've now given the shoe a little bit of shadow. Yeah, bring it this way, a little bit of shadow, and so you can see it's now like having this yeah, this bright and shiny this shadow on it. So what we're gonna do next, we just type the name of the shoe, just touch this discount, and then we duplicate it like I showed you guys, copy, and then we'll just write the name of the shoe or so, or any information you want to give it. We'll just say just a crazy name, comfort, just like how I yeah, comfort. Then we'll just give it comfort boot. Yeah, so yeah, and then press OK, and then we'll bring it down here. We'll just reduce it a little bit, so this is like the name of the shoe, and then we'll just leave it here. So we're not going to change the background color, and to do that we'll just come here, where it says color, and then you can see you can now change it. So I love this, I like this. So yeah, and then you now have it this way. Go down to gradients, or you can actually use gradients of color. So we come here to color. This way you want everything here, all the colors to just be one or so. Yeah, if you want it this way, but this is nice, so we'll just leave it this way. So and this is how you have it, a very simple design, very simple to just show out your product, and you can post it anywhere for people to see your product in a very fine and an attractive way. So you buy, and then when you want to now download this image, just come up to this where you should, this place here, you can see I tap it, and then you just come for the format. You're going to give it a PNG format, and then for the quality you want to go to ultra, yeah, ultra, and then you're just going to do save to gallery. So it's saving. See, yeah, go to our gallery to see our beautiful piece. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you have gotten value from it. It enables me make more videos. And we come here to Pixellab. Let's check for Pixellab. Yeah, so you can see here, and this is, wow, you can see how beautiful it is. This was the former one I did, and you can see